Ready, set, action.
This video will probably the first with this kind of vibe as well as the last. As you guys may have noticed, it has been a long time since I uploaded. Sorry kung ngayon lang ako nakabalik. Something has happened recently that made me rethink and reflect on myself. Alam kong it's not in my character to be like this. I guess you can say na nasanay ako na I'm more energetic and stuff. Pero this time, I'm going to have to be serious. I started this career hoping to just share content with the world, with the public. To share not only my life, but also my happiness. And I did not do this alone. Hindi ako yung Miguel you all once knew, consumed by the followers, the comments, and the likes. I don't even recognize myself anymore. I lost everything. I lost myself, my well-being, mostly myself. And to the person who was most affected during that time, if you are here, I never got to properly say this, but thank you for your patience and efforts. Alam ko marami akong pagkukulang, and I wanted to say that I'm really, really sorry. With this in mind, I'll be taking some time off this platform and start prioritizing myself and the people around me. I'll see you guys the next time. Goodbye.
Okay, I like that. It's better.